Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be making a strawberry glaze, so let's get right into it. Now to a saucepan we're going to add in 1 cup of sugar, 2 cups of water, and 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. Now once you guys have all of this in your saucepan, you're then going to take a whisk and you're going to mix it all together until there are no more clumps. Once you have no more clumps in your mixture, you're going to set your stove to medium high and let this come to a boil. Now once this comes to a boil, guys, you want to turn your heat off, and then you're going to add in 2 tablespoons of strawberry jello powder. Once you add in your strawberry jello powder, you're then going to mix it well until all the powder is dissolved, and you're going to let this mixture cool down for about 20 to 30 minutes. After you've let it cool for 20 to 30 minutes, you then want to pour it into a separate bowl and then let it cool in the fridge for about an hour. Now you can let it sit for a little bit longer, but the longer you let it sit, the thicker your glaze will get. I didn't want my glaze too thick when I was dipping my strawberries, so I only let it sit in the fridge for an hour. Now after you've let your glaze sit in the fridge for an hour, you then want to go ahead and take it out and use it for whatever you would like, whether it's cheesecake or cupcakes or strawberry shortcake. You can use it for whatever you like. I'm just dipping some clean berries into my glaze to add on top of cupcakes to decorate my cupcakes. So if you guys want to see that, stay tuned and keep watching the rest of the video. And that's pretty much it, guys. I really hope you enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Comment down below what you guys want to see me make next. I'm always open to new ideas or new recipes, so let me know. Again, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.